Hi friends, I'm Tatiana from the SpacesEDU team, and I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to learn all about SpacesEDU. It's a fun place where you can share your learning with your teacher and family. By the end of this video, you'll know how to log in and log out, use your Spaces, share your learning with photos, voice and video, and add a comment or emoji. Let's get started. Your teacher will give you a special QR code to log in. It's just for you, so keep it safe and don't share it with friends. If you lose it, your teacher can help. To log in, open the SpacesEDU app and tap the QR code button. This will open your camera. Just use your camera to scan your QR code and then you're in. Now that you're logged in, let's take a look around your SpacesEDU class. Welcome to your SpacesEDU class. Your class might look a little different than mine, and that's okay. It depends on how your teacher set it up in their own way. Inside your class, you'll see these boxes called spaces. They are like folders that help keep your learning organized. The top one is called the class space. This is where you, your classmates, and your teacher can all share and see learning. Most of the time, everyone in your class can see what you share here. But if you're not sure, ask your teacher. The boxes down here are your one-to-one spaces. These are private spaces between you, your teacher, and sometimes your family. Your teacher will let you know which space to use and who can see it. If you're not sure, just ask. Ready to post something you're proud of? Let's learn how to share your learning. Before we post, let's go over a few tips to help you be a great SpacesEDU user. Take a clear picture. Make sure your work is in the middle, easy to see. Only share your own work or face. Don't post pictures or videos of your classmates unless your teacher says it's okay. And finally, always use kind words when you write or record. Got it? Great, let's keep going. First, go to your space and tap the plus sign. Then, pick what you want to share. A photo or video, a voice recording, or maybe even type something. You can share up to 10 things in one post. That's a lot of learning. Let's try an example together. Let's say I made a drawing in art class. I want to share it on SpacesEDU. So first, I tap the black camera icon. I can choose to take a photo or a video. In this example, I'm going to take a photo. I check that it's set to photo mode, look for the little camera icon, then I make sure that the drawing is right in the middle and easy to see. When I'm ready, I tap the red camera button to take the picture. If I like how it looks, I tap the green check mark to keep it. I can stop there, but I want to tell my teacher why I'm proud of it. I'm going to tap the red microphone to record my voice. I can start my sentence like this. I'm proud of this because, or I learned how to, or next time I might try. Then I tap the red button to stop when I'm done. To listen, I can press the blue play button that looks like a sideways triangle. If I like it, I tap the green check mark. If not, I can tap the trash can and try again. Once everything is added, I tap the check mark in the top right corner of my screen to share it. Now it's your turn. Take a moment to try making your own post. You can use one of the sentence starters we practiced a moment ago to tell us why you chose this work. You can pause this video now and come back when you're done. We'll be right here. Great job! You just shared your first post on SpacesEDU. Once you create your post, you'll see it in your space. Wow, there's a post we just created together. And guess what? Sometimes your teacher or your family will reply. Sometimes your teacher or family might leave an emoji and a comment right under your post. You can do this too. Tap the box under your post to get started. Just like when you made your post, you can choose how to comment. Maybe a photo or video, a voice note, or a typed message. And remember, always be kind. When you're ready, tap the paper plane to add your comments. You might be wondering, what can I share in SpacesEDU? Let's check out some examples. Not sure what to share? You can post anything that shows your learning, like a photo of your drawing or art project, a video of you reading or solving a math problem, or a recording of you learning a new word or playing music. Those are just a few fun ideas. Now that we've shared our learning, let's make sure our account stays safe by logging out. Remember, once you're done, you need to log out of SpacesEDU. First, you need to leave your space. Tap the left arrow in the top left corner of your screen. Next, tap the circle on the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the red text that says Log Out. This keeps your account safe, especially if you're sharing a tablet with others. You did it! Now you know how to use SpacesEDU. We can't wait to see what you post this school year.